Whether you're a pastry chef or just cooking a family meal, the OXO pastry and basting brushes pick up and hold egg wash, glazes, sauces, and marinades to help you achieve the perfect pie crust, Thanksgiving turkey, or rack of ribs. These brushes are constructed of natural boar bristles that retain softness and pliability better than synthetics. The angled head keeps bristles off of the countertop, while the soft handle makes these brushes comfortable to hold. The sealed bristle base keeps food and liquid out, while the brush is dishwasher safe for quick cleaning. Here's a good tip. Professional pastry chefs insist on the very best tools, and natural boar bristle brushes are considered top of the line.
We ignited this flame almost half a century ago in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. It would be a brand forged by hand, hardened by steel, and revered for American ingenuity. All Clad quickly became the choice for demanding chefs and ignited desire among passionate home cooks, ones who would never settle for anything less than the best. Whether it's our handcrafted, bonded cookware or our latest innovations in the kitchen, the All-Clad stamp has become legendary, symbolizing a promise to exceed the expectations of passionate cooks and inspire them throughout their journey. So ignite your imagination. Ignite your quest for perfection. Ignite your inspiration. All-Clad. Ignite your passion.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Bamboo Collection. It's really a great collection for consumers or who are concerned about sustainability. It's also great for on your cooking implements that require you not to use metal utensils. So for instance, this is a really great spoon. It's very important to have a really nice wooden spoon in your kitchen. It's great for stirring any kind of sauces or gravies. That's what I like to use. This is one of my favorite pieces. It's called a solid turner, and you can use it for turning foods if you prefer, but what I like to use it for is for sauteing. If I'm sauteing any type of vegetable in the bottom of a pan, I like it because it has a nice flat surface and you can really move the food around and have control over it. So that's a solid turner. And this is a slotted spoon. Slotted spoons are great, especially if you're trying to lift any type of food item out of a liquid or separate it from the liquid. With the slotted element there, it actually will help drain the food so it doesn't get the water or liquid on your plate. And the last thing here is a basting brush. And it's important to have a good basting brush because if you're going to do anything where you need to get olive oil or butter onto like bread, if you're going to make a panini or a grilled cheese, it's really important. It has really nice bristles and a nice handle, so it's easy to grip and really simple to brush on any olive oil or butter that you need to do while you're cooking. So there's a nice collection of the basics from our bamboo collection.
Welcome to the one accessory your kitchen has been waiting for. With a single versatile brush, you can transform your kitchen and work wonders with any recipe as you bring your culinary creations to life like never before. Through a revolutionary design that uses silicone strands in a truly unique way, we designed it to be flexible against any surface. That means when you're ready to work wonders in the kitchen, all you have to do is take it off the hook and put the unique design to work. The special fluid-retaining design allows you to make short work of previously time-consuming tasks. You can even put the finishing touches to your family favorites so that every bite tastes better than ever before. Once you're done, simply remove the head in an instant and wash under the tap or put it in the dishwasher. All you have to do now is pop it back on the hook, ready for next time.